Everybody, today I will be showing you how to make your very own admin panel. This was recommended by somebody in my comments, so I decided to make a admin GUI. So this is what it looks like. Oh, and if you saw the credits, please give credit to him and subscribe to this guy who helped me. And then I can kill all, you can fling a player, you can kick all, and some of these may not work. Some of the scripts may be outdated, it'll say on it, but you can ban whoever you want. I think you can give admin commands that might be broken, I don't know, but really credits to that guy. And let's get into it. So what you're going to start off with, in server script service, you're going to add in script. Remember, scripts are in the description, unlock, copy, game, and model. So if we open this, I'll give you a couple seconds to look at this, or you could just pause the video. And alright, I'm just going to go down. You can pause, but we got this whole entire script right here. I'm just going to go down slowly so you can keep pausing when you need. Just going down very slowly. It's 55 lines if you want to type it. Okay, I'm going to go down a little faster. Alright, you should be able to do the script. Pause the video if you need to. And in replicated storage, you're going to need to add a lot of remote events. I'm sorry, but this might take a while. Well, unless if you use my model. But this is receive, VIP owner, admin all. And then these are all the remote events for the buttons right here. And I'll give you a couple seconds to look at them. Okay. And then we're just going to close these off. And inside of starter GUI, add in a screen GUI and name it to admin panel. Then you're going to add in a local script. I actually got this one set up, so it might go quicker than the last video. I'm going to open up the local script. And then this is a tiny one, but local replicated storage equals game.replicated storage local VIP equals rep, not like you're shortening replicated storage. You can just say rep.vip owner, vip.onClient::connect function, local GUI clone equals game::get service screen GUI wait for child screen GUI :clone GUI clone.parent equals game.players.local player GUI end. You don't add the end, it'll add it for you. And then you're going to go here, type this script right here, pause video, or just copy and paste the script, whatever you do. Alright, close this off. Alright, next one is going to be a little long. This one is 43 lines. Give you a couple seconds to look at the first few lines. Alright, we're going to go down a little. Alright, I'm going to go down a little more. Well, we went down a lot. There you go. Alright. And we're good. Pause video if you need to. And this is the notification. I don't think don't type this one. This one's not useful. You don't need it, I think. Here, copy this one. I think you might need it. I don't know yet. Just do it just in case, but I'd advise you not to type this one just in case we don't need it. And then there you should have it. Don't do the login page GUI. This is not important. This was... He said to do it, but it wasn't. You'd have to type in your code and stuff, and I didn't know how, and it just didn't work for me. So don't do the login page. This one, you'd have to type in a passcode, and people aren't gonna know the passcode. So don't do this GUI. That's why I said don't. I don't know if you should do the notification GUI. I don't know. I think it has to go with the login page. All right, we have the main GUI bar. And then in this, if you want to, it'll say your name, and it'll this is a very quick script, so I'm just gonna, yeah, there you go. Just type that. This will tell you your name. I don't really think you need it. admin, kill, roundify, and then we just like got all these roundifies. I don't think the buttons have any scripts in them, but I'm just checking real quick. I think they just have UIs, corners, and roundifies. Oh, yes. And the toggle GUI, to open it, type this following code. I'll give you a couple seconds. All right, I hope you pause the video. We're going to close this off. And, yeah. Now we're going to go to developer credits. Oh, wait, that doesn't have anything. Whoops. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye! Whoops. I'll cut this part out. No worries.